Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. So unrestriction mean whenever you don't want someone to check your sum of activities, so you allow them to restrict their account. So how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger, I'm gonna tell you. So first of all, you guys have to open up Messenger app and then you have to tap on the top left corner of options. So after tapping on options, you guys have to here tap on settings, which is on top right corner. Here you have to just scroll down and tap on the option which is privacy and safety. So after tapping on privacy and safety, you guys have to just tap on restricted account, which is in the section of who can reach you. So it is the second option, you guys have to tap on it. And here you guys have all of those account list of which you have restricted. So you guys have to unrestrict them by tapping on it and tap on unrestrict. So after tapping on unrestrict, this is how you guys can unrestrict someone on Messenger. That's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.